Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This video is a review of the song Ndaya by Mpongo. Ndaya is about a woman who is bragging about her husband. She's saying that she knew that by hanging around her boyfriend longer, they were going to get married. She is claiming that they have proven people wrong by actually getting married. She is also claiming that she doesn't have a rival. Their couple is well known around town. They have been featured in radio and newspaper. If her husband cheated, it was going to become a scandal. O Ndaya o nayebi kombo ya mbanda te. O Mindaya, I do not have a rival. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.